today we are going to talk about factor essential for photosynthesis. We can say some condition is necessary for photosynthesis. So what they are? They are the presence of green pigment that is called chlorophyll. Already know where this chlorophyll is present. It is present inside the leaf. Now I used one word here, pigment. So what is the means of pigment? Pigments is a natural occurring substance that gives a particular color to a plant as well as animal part also. Now second one, the presence of light, and third one, the availability of carbon dioxide, and last, the availabilities of water. So we will discuss them one by one. The presence of chlorophyll is a necessary condition for photosynthesis because it is usually present in the leaf in a structure. That structure is called a chloroplast. Do you know where is the site of photosynthesis? Yes, the site of photosynthesis is the chloroplast. This chloroplast contains a stroma, and the stroma is a fluid-like or aqueous space. Now you can see in this diagram a cone-like structure. These cone-like structure is called a thylakoids. We can say stalk of thylakoids and also called grana. And the thylakoids contain chlorophyll. Here this chlorophyll is collected, and chlorophyll is the green pigment that capture light for the photosynthesis. So now clearly we can say photosynthesis mainly occur in leaves. It can take place in any part. This is green, and the green part contain chloroplast. So chloroplast are the main site of photosynthesis. Now always they contain absorbing green pigment, that's why. So just think there are about 5 lakh chloroplast per square millimeter of a leaf. Very interesting. So remember please this. So how you can find the chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis? Let's take a test for it. If you take a leaf and dip this leaf in a boiled water for a 30 seconds, and take second step, boil leaf in alcohol, then third, dip this leaf in a boiling water again, then take out this leaf and keep it in a slide and use 1 drop of iodine solution. And after spreading iodine solution, what do you find? What are the science behind it? Actually, iodine react with starch to turn blue-black. Only the portion that were green earlier, means contained chlorophyll, turned blue-black only. So that indicated the photosynthetic activity was confined to those portions only. So hence chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. So next about light. You know, sun is the ultimate source of light. So this light energy trapped by the chlorophyll is used to convert raw material into a sugar. And we can say this light energy converted into a chemical energy, and plant use this energy for their growth as well as for their nourishment. Now, because this process is light dependent process, that's why it is called photosynthesis. How you can find light is essential for photosynthesis? Let's take activity for it. Just keep the potted plant in the dark for 24 hours so that leaves become free from starch. So cut a strip of black paper and cover a part of the leaf from both sides using a clip to hold it. Then keep this plant again in the sunlight for a few hours. Then detach the covered leaf from the plant and remove the paper. So last, do the iodine test once again and find about the leaf. The covered portion of the leaf does not change color, whereas the portion which was uncovered turned blue-black. So what is the science? The portion of leaf was not covered received all the factors necessary for photosynthesis. So hence starch formation occurred in this area and it turned iodine solution blue-black. So the portion of the leaf which was covered did not receive sunlight and hence no starch was formed. Now let's discuss about carbon dioxide. So, plant living on land use atmospheric carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Plant obtain carbon dioxide through tiny pores that is present inside the leaf, and these tiny pores is called stomata. And each pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells. And what is the function of guard cells? Guard cells can change shape to open or close the stoma. Now we can say the opening and closing of these pores are regulated by guard cells. So guard cells are specialized pair cells that is surrounded each stoma. Singularly we can say stomata of the leaf. So with the change of their shape, guard cells cause the stomata is open or close. Already we talk about this. So when guard cells become turgid we can say the state of being swollen due to high fluid content. That time the stomata is open condition and it allow carbon dioxide to enter the leaf. And next the stomata is closed. So when the guard cells become flaccid means weak and soft. And last fourth factor, that is water. So plant absorb water from the soil through their root system. And you know the root system comprises a primary root, secondary root and the root hair. And these root hair increase the surface area of roots and are found in great number near the tip of the root. Water and mineral are absorbed by the root hair present near the end of the roots and reach the base of the stem through the root system. Now see in this diagram, there is a two vessels like green and blue vessels you can see clearly. So these vessels just spread from the root to all part of the plant body. So what are the function of these two vessels? So look, the red vessels like it is called a xylem, and the work of xylem, it transported water through root to all part of the plant body. Now next vessel, that is called phloem, and this phloem just take prepared food from the leaf and transported it to all part of the plant body.